In our previous class, we have learned about equivalent fraction. And how do you find the equivalent fraction? When we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, we get the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. See, like for finding the equivalent fraction of 4 by 7, what we have done? We multiply this 4 by 2 and this 7 by 2. Then after we get 8 by 14. After multiplication we get this. One thing you have to remember, for finding equivalent fraction you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, not by different number. When you multiply the numerator and the denominator by different number, you get wrong answer. For equivalent fraction you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Our next topic is we have to find missing numerator or denominator of equivalent fraction. Means equivalent fraction is given but some numerator or denominator might be missing and you have to find that numerator or the denominator. I have taken some example. See them carefully. First fraction I have taken is 3 by 7, which is equal to dash. At the place of numerator nothing is given, a box is given which you have to fill, and denominator given 14. As 3 by 7 and this unknown fraction is equivalent, so we get this number by multiplying this number with any digit. As here nothing is given, so we will go for this 7. 7 by which number we multiply this 7 to get 14? Yes, number 2. So when we multiply this 7 by 2, we get 14. And as for the definition of equivalent fraction, we have to multiply, as we have multiplied this denominator by 2, we have to multiply this numerator by 2 also. So after multiplying this 3 by the same number, when we multiply this 7, we get the equivalent fraction or the missing numerator. Since here 14, so we multiply this 7 by 2. So as we multiply the denominator by 2, so we will multiply this numerator by 2. 7 into 2, then 3 into 2. 7 into 2, 14, which is already given, but 3 into 2 is 6, and this 6 is our answer. Second example I have taken is 5 by 9. Equivalent fraction is 3 and the denominator, in this case denominator is missing. Similarly, as you know, you have to multiply this numerator and the denominator by the same number. But for getting 30, from which number we should multiply this 5? Yes, your answer will be 6. So as we multiply this 5 by 6, we get 30. So we have to multiply this 9 by 6 also. So after multiplying this 9 by 6, we get 54. See, 5 into 6, 30. As 30 is given, so we have to find 36, and then denominator will be multiplied by the same number, that is 6. So 9 into 6, 9 6 are 54. So 54 is your missing denominator and this is your answer. Sometime in fraction, greater number is given here. Greater fraction means greater fraction numerator and denominator is given here and lesser is given at the opposite side, and you have to find the lesser one. How do you find? This time you don't have to go for multiplication. This time you have to go for division. See, 30 by 45 equal to 6 by dash. This denominator is missing and you have to find. See, here 6 and here 30. It is greater than 6. So first, what you have to do? First, find by dividing which number. 30 by which number you get 6? Yes, when we divide 30 by 5, we get 6. So we divide this 30 by 5. as we divide this numerator, so we have to divide this denominator by 5 too. So after dividing this 45 by 5, we get 9. Your denominator, your fraction will be 6 by 9, and this 9 was missing. Or this is the way how you can find this type of missing denominator and numerator. One more example I have taken. 44 by 99 equal to, numerator is missing and then 9. What you have to do? What you have to do in this case, see, greater number is here 99 and here 9. So what you have to do? We have to divide this number. We have to divide this number by any number to get this 9. When we divide this 99 by 11, we get 9. When we divide this 99 by 11, we get 9. So when we divide this 99 by 11, we have to divide this 44 by 11. This is the rule of finding equivalent fraction. So after dividing this 99 by 11 and this 44 by 11, so 99 divided by 11, we get 9, and 44 divided by 11, we get 4. So this is the way how you can find the missing numerator or denominator of a equivalent fraction.